Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at TweeterBucks. Now, basically this is a web application that lets you make money by monetizing your Twitter account with done for you high converting Clickbank offers. And what I really like about TweeterBucks guys is that they put in so much value into this product, right? Because this comes with link cloaker, image editor, hashtag generator, post template, hashtag maker, site builder or page builder, tag chart, social media links, and this also comes with mailing suite. Now this comes in handy guys if you don't have email marketing software. Now this is really useful for you guys because this comes with mailing suite. You can send single emails, or you can create sign up forms, you can add contact, you can segment your contacts, you can monitor the stats of your sign up forms. This also comes with training guides, traffic training, video guide training, and email marketing training, right? Now, before I'm going to reveal to you guys how this system works, how it can help you to make money online, and how it can help you to make money with your Twitter account, let me show you first my bonuses so you can get great result with TweeterBucks, right? Bonus number one, guys, is I'm going to give you access to TweetX. Now, this is a software that will give you targeted Twitter follower on autopilot because most of you guys don't have that, enough or big follower on Twitter. Maybe you have follower, maybe your friends, your families, right? That with this software, guys, this will give you targeted Twitter follower on autopilot in any kind of niche. It can be make money online niche, it can be dog training, it can be health and fitness niche. It doesn't really matter what kind of niche. This will give you guys targeted Twitter follower on autopilot. All right, this will really help you guys get that follower that you need for you to be able to succeed with TweeterBucks. All right, that's my bonus number one. Bonus number two, guys, is I'm gonna help you set up your Twitter account. That way you can get bigger commission, right? Because if you don't know how to set up your Twitter account properly, then you cannot really make money because people don't like you, don't trust you. That is why this is really crucial, guys. If you wanted to get bigger result, big commissions, make money, make more money, then this is really helpful for you guys because I'm gonna help you guys set up your Twitter account. That way you can get bigger commission. That's my bonus number two. Bonus number three, guys, is I'm gonna show you how to get commission with Facebook. Right now, you're not limited to Twitter, right? In this bonus right here, I'm gonna show you guys how to get commission with Facebook. That's my bonus number three. Bonus number four, guys, is I'm gonna give you access to all-in-one funnel builder. Now, inside of your TweeterBucks, guys, you'll be able to create, you'll be able to create page builders, but you know, uh, I'm gonna give you access to a much better, funnel builder that will allow you to create high converting funnels and opt-in pages or landing pages. I'm gonna show you an example of this. All right, so let me show you an example of this funnel builder. Right, so this is the example of high converting opt-in page or funnel builder that you can create with this system, guys. And you don't need hosting for this, you don't need domain for this, guys. This includes domain and hosting, so you don't need to pay for that as well if you get this inside of my bonus. All right, that's my bonus number four. And what's really cool about this, guys, that you can monitor once you use this funnel. You can monitor the leads right here. You can monitor the sales. If you have some sales, you can monitor the stats right here. You can automate, you can set up automation autoresponder in this autoresponder in this system, and then you can configure the funnel right here. Right, so that's included in my bonus number four. My bonus number five, guys, is I'm going to give you access to an unlimited email swipes. Now, inside of your TweeterBucks, you'll be able to generate or just send emails, right? If you wanted to use this as an email marketing software, then I'm going to give you access to an unlimited email swipes, and I'm going to show you an example on how this software works. Now, alright, guys, so this is the software that you're gonna get access, guys. This will give you an unlimited email. Just basically click on new swipe right here. It will automatically generate you this email, and you can copy and paste this into your mailing system, inside of your TweeterBucks, right? Just click on new swipe right here and it will automatically generate you an email without you having to write a single word, right? So that is my bonus number 5. All right. My bonus number 6, guys, is I'm gonna give you access to 100 plus product bonus bundle. This includes WordPress plugin, Facebook marketing training, field art products, YouTube marketing training guide, and there's tons of product that you can get into this product bonus bundle that includes 100 plus products, right? That's my bonus number 6. Bonus number 7, guys, is I'm gonna give you access, guys, to a software that will help you syndicate your link or any kind of affiliate link into 400 traffic sources, right? So this is a software that will automate your link syndication to 400 traffic sources and will give you free traffic on autopilot, right? That's my bonus number 7. Bonus number 8, guys, is of course vendor bonuses, and you're gonna get access to that inside of your TweeterBucks account, right? You're gonna get access to that inside of your TweeterBucks account. Now, let me show you around what's inside of TweeterBucks account, how this works, how it can help you to make money, and I'm gonna show you guys step-by-step process on how to make this work. All right. So basically, guys, you need to you need to link your Clickbank ID inside of your TweeterBucks account. So what you can do is click on this affiliate settings right here, and this is where you link your affiliate ID. Alright. Now, if you don't know how to create your Clickbank account, I can help you with that as well. If you're brand new, you don't have a Clickbank account, I can help you with that as well. Just you can just email me. I'm gonna put my email down in the description of this video. But basically, they have this training video right here, and this is where you put that email Clickbank ID and click on Save Changes. And once you do that, guys, you should be able to create your campaigns. Now, there are 3 ways to create campaigns. The first one is image campaign. Second one is video campaigns, and then Twitter campaigns right here. Now, let's take a look at what are these campaigns so you can see exactly how this works. Now, you can click create on campaigns right here. And so this is where you find up done for you product. These are high converting products, guys. This means you don't need to to search these products and Clickbank. You don't need to waste your time browsing in Clickbank Marketplace finding these high converting products, because if you take a look at the gravity score right here, this one has like 55 gravity score. This one has like 120 gravity score. This means a lot of people promoting this kind of product, and a lot of people are already making a lot of money with this product, guys. And you don't need to you don't need to have waste your time to search this product and in Clickbank Marketplace, because it's already done for you. TweeterBucks team already do the hard work and put in this amazing product, guys, that you can use uh, automatically with your Twitter account and promote these high converting offers on Clickbank right here. And the gravity score of this product is a really high gravity score, which means a lot of people are promoting this product and make a lot of money, right? That's image campaign, and you'll be able to click on this tweet this, and you'll be able to go to your Twitter account, and then this will allow you to tweet this um, offers, right? Video campaigns, guys, is that this is where you find those done for you videos and you use those videos to promote these high converting products. Now, Twitter campaigns is that this is where you find this done for you images and graphics, product covers. Use this to click on this tweet right here and promote this into your Twitter account. Now, this comes with link cloaker. This will allow you to shorten your link URL right here. This comes with image editor, hashtag generator. This is really useful, guys, because hashtag is one of the key component when optimizing your posts. Comes with post template, hashtag maker as well, and then site builder. This is gonna allow you to build or create a page, landing pages right here, and then tag chart. This is gonna allow you to monitor whether that popular tags, hashtags, like hashtags, follow hashtags. You can find different popular hashtags right here, and then social media links. This is gonna allow you to blast your links into different social media places, right? Now this comes with a mailing suite. This is gonna allow you to send email. If you wanted to use this, just create a new campaign right here and send an email newsletter into your list. And you can add contacts right here. You can also add contact. You can create contact forms right here, guys. If you wanted to create an opt-in page, opt-in form, this is where you create the opt-in page, and this is where you customize your opt-in page right here. And then um, you can also create a segment, right? If you wanted to create an autoresponder or email sequence, and this is where you do that as well. And then you can monitor the sign up stats of your form right here. All right, so yeah, so I think that will be in this video, guys. Now the only problem that you may encounter with this, guys, is that this is you need to have some sort of following on Twitter. Now if you don't have a following, then you know this is where my bonus number one comes in, guys. This software is going to allow you to to give you a targeted Twitter follower on autopilot, right? And if you don't have the following, this is really useful and helpful for you guys, because it can generate you targeted follower in any kind of niche. It can be make money online niche, dog training, health and fitness niche. It doesn't really matter. You can use this software, guys, to generate targeted Twitter follower in any kind of niche. All right. Now you're gonna get access to this document inside of your Warrior Plus account when you guys purchase TweeterBucks through my link down in the description of this video, which is the first link. Now when you guys click that link, this will take you to a sales page that looks something like this. Now the headline says breakthrough app gets you to free Twitter traffic in 5 to 10 minutes, which turns into $37 to 197 sales from Clickbank, Plus, and JVZoo. Now you can really make money $37 to $197 or more, but that depends on the traffic and the work that you put in, guys. Because if you don't do the work, then this will not happen. Now I can assure you that you can make money with this if you put in the work, right? That is why these bonuses can really help you guys out when it comes to getting that result. Right now, yeah, I need you guys to watch this video right here, read the information of the sales page, and don't worry with your purchase, guys, because this comes with 365 days money back guarantee. Now if you don't like the product, you're not if for some reason you're not really liking the product, then you can refund your money. This is 365 days money back guarantee, and you shall be able to get access to all of my bonuses completely free of charge. Now again, this document is waiting for you inside of your Warrior Plus account. You're gonna get access to this instantly after your purchase of TweeterBucks, right? So read the information of the sales page, guys. Have an informed decision if this is something that can really help you guys out. And yeah, if you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have, and I'll see you in my next review video. Bye. Love you. Mwah.